Have you ever wondered what the distant future holds for our planet? What if we could leap forward in time, not just by a few centuries, but by 5 billion years? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an extraordinary journey to witness the ultimate fate of our solar system. Right now, our home, Earth, looks serene and beautiful from space, a blue marble teeming with life. But the universe is a place of constant change, and the forces that govern stars and galaxies are relentless. Our journey begins now. Imagine time accelerating, days, years, and millennia flashing by in the blink of an eye as we hurtle 5 billion years into the future. As we arrive, the first thing we notice is the sky. Our familiar, friendly sun is gone. In its place hangs a colossal, terrifying red giant. It fills a huge portion of the sky, glowing with a deep, menacing light. Our sun, having exhausted the hydrogen fuel in its core, has begun to burn helium, causing it to swell to an unimaginable size. This is the red giant phase, a common stage in the life of a star like ours. The inner solar system has been completely rearranged. Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, is long gone, swallowed whole by the star's expanding outer layers. Venus, our fiery twin, has met the same fate. Vaporized by the intense heat and consumed by the growing giant, the sun's atmosphere now extends. Far beyond its original boundaries, a turbulent sea of superheated gas. And what about Earth? From our vantage point, we see a scorched, desolate world. The oceans that once covered our planet have boiled away completely, leaving behind vast, cracked salt flats. The atmosphere has been stripped away by the fierce solar winds. The surface is a hellscape of molten rock, glowing cherry red under the glare of the red giant. Will Earth be completely engulfed like Mercury and Venus? It's a close call. Some models predict it will be consumed, while others suggest it might survive, but as a charred, lifeless cinder, forever tidally locked to its dying star. Either way, the Earth we knew is gone forever. But as one chapter closes, another begins. The sun's expansion has dramatically changed the habitable zone, the region where liquid water can exist. This zone has now shifted outwards to the colder, more distant reaches of the solar system. Let's travel there. As we approach the orbits of Jupiter and Saturn, we see something incredible. The once icy moons, like Europa and Enceladus, are now bathed in the gentle warmth of the red giant. Europa, once a world encased in a thick shell of ice, now is a global ocean of liquid water, sparkling under the dim red light. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, which was once too cold for liquid water despite its thick atmosphere, might now be a prime candidate for life. These distant moons, for a brief cosmic moment, have become the new Earths of our solar system. Could new forms of life arise in these alien oceans long after Earth has perished? It's a tantalizing possibility, but the changes aren't just confined to our solar system. Look up. The night sky is unlike anything you've ever seen. Our Milky Way galaxy is in the middle of a slow-motion, majestic collision with its neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. For billions of years, these two colossal structures have been drawing closer. And now they are merging. Stars from both galaxies are intermingling, creating a new, even larger galaxy that astronomers have nicknamed Milkomeda. Despite the cosmic scale of this event, direct star collisions are incredibly rare because of the vast distances between them. Instead, it's a graceful dance of gravity, reshaping the heavens into a new, spectacular form. New stars are being born at a furious rate in the compressed clouds of gas and dust. Now let's turn our attention back to our own star. The red giant phase doesn't last forever. After a few 100 million years, the sun runs out of helium to fuse. Its core collapses under its own gravity, while its outer layers are puffed away into space. What we witness next is one of the most beautiful events in the cosmos, the creation of a planetary nebula. The sun's outer layers drift outwards, forming a vast, intricate cloud of glowing gas. Lit from within by the dying star's core, it shines with brilliant colors: reds, blues, and greens. A final, breathtaking farewell. This celestial artwork will expand for thousands of years, enriching the interstellar medium with heavier elements like carbon and oxygen, the very building blocks of life. And at the center of this expanding nebula lies the sun's final remnant, a white dwarf. It's an incredibly dense, Earth-sized object composed of super-compressed matter. It no longer generates heat through fusion, but it's still intensely hot. And it will take trillions of years to cool down and fade into a cold. Dark black dwarf, our journey ends here, orbiting this new, quiet star system. The charred remains of the inner planets might still be there, along with the distant gas giants and their transformed moons, all circling the tiny, faint white dwarf. We've witnessed the end of our world, but also the beginning of new possibilities. We've seen the cosmic cycle of death and rebirth in action, a reminder that in the grand tapestry of the universe, every end is just a new beginning. Thank you for joining us on this incredible voyage through time. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more explorations into the wonders of our universe.